Okay, so we are looking at this right triangle with an unknown angle, and that angle is marked with a theta. That's the Greek letter we like to use for an unknown angle. So we're trying to figure out what this is. This is the unknown. We don't know what that angle measure is. But if you look at the picture, we are given two things that should be very helpful. We have a rise and we have a run. So we know this value, and then we know this value. And we have been studying from a trig table, from a slope, like we called it our trig table graphic organizer, this blue sheet. That can give us for certain slope ratios. And for this slope ratio, let's see the slope ratio, because it's right, the change in y over the change in x. So it's like the vertical distance over the horizontal distance, also sometimes referred to as the rise over the run. And that's at this orientation where our acute angle is sort of bottom left, and then we got a right angle over here on the right side. I know that from the notation. So if I look at that and I calculate my slope ratio, I'm going to end up with 10 over 1, which as a ratio is 10 over 1, but if I wanted to simplify it to a whole number, it would be 10. So then what I want to do is I want to cross-reference from my sheet that gives me all these slope ratios. I'm looking for the one that has a ratio of 10 over 1. So for 11 degrees, it's 1 over 5. For 18, it's 1 over 3. And I just keep checking until I come to the one that has a slope ratio of 10 over 1. Now, I hadn't drawn in my triangle here, but if I had, it would look like this. This is 84 degrees there. The rise is 10. The run is 1. So this is all I need. I just need the angle measure for that slope ratio, which is 84 degrees. So there's very little work on this. You just need to make sure that you use your trig table graphic organizer. Graphic organizer. All right, hope that's helpful. Message me anytime with questions.